Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Hi. You look at mommy? Look at those beautiful eyes. Hey, what are you doing? Baby girl is 7 pounds now, huh? Olivia's 7 pounds. But you're still short. You're only 20 inches or 19 inches, huh? Yeah. Oh, mommy sees you. Mommy sees you. Your brother's still sleeping over there. He's still sleeping? Yeah. What are you doing? Did you just use the bathroom again? I literally just changed you like 2 minutes ago. I hope you just farted. And if you did, I got it on camera. And I show people when you get older, you farted. You farted. You know Pampers are not cheap, Missy, especially for 2 butts. I'm gonna get you on that potty soon, huh? Yeah. You're my little Thumbelina. Are you a little Thumbelina? Let's see your little hands. Let's see your little hands. Oh, don't cover your face. Look at your little hands. Yeah. Oh, wait, again? You tired? Oi. Hey, little hands. Can I see your hands? Hey. Oh, you looking for your passy? You chip on? Oh, that's what you wanted, huh? No? Say bye. Say bye.